How to change your preferences on Plenty of Fish dating app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can change the preferences of whom you see on your profile page on the Plenty of Fish dating account. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the preferences, such as let's say age, you want to only see women or men from a specific age group, or you want to see from a specific country and from this type of users, and so on. So in order to do that, we're just going to go ahead and launch the Plenty of Fish dating application. And then once we launch the Plenty of Fish dating app, what you want to do is just tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. And then once you go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon, here you'll be able to see all this, and right under manage account you'll find the option called preferences, right? So you want to make sure to tap on the preferences option. Now first of all, if you want to change the age preferences, which means you only want to see people from a specific age group, you can select from 18 to let's say 35, 36, or whatever else is actually convenient for you, and then just hit the check option from there. Then once you've updated that, you can also choose a country from whichever country you actually want to get recommended people from, and then hit the check icon again. Then after you've done that, you can select any contact length over here. So you can select contact length as a 50 characters, 100 characters, or whatever else is preferable for you. Now this is really nothing that people would want to do about. And then you can also see only upgraded members can send me a first contact. If you want, when you turn this on, only upgraded members can send you as a first contact and add you as a first contact, and only members with profile images can send me as a first contact, which means that fake profiles will not be able to send you any type of messages, and so on. And this is simply how you can change your preferences on the POF dating app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.